Hello, I welcome you back to SDS Tooth Center. My name is Raphael Chuku. I'll be your teacher on this topic. We are continuing to calculate payroll for Great Minds Company. We have done for level-based allowances. In today's lesson, we're going to teach you how to calculate bonuses. That's incentives, motivations for company staff members who are able to meet company's targets based on punctuality rating. So here now we're going to use 10% of their basic salary if the person meets 50% of the assets punctuality rating. So we'll go into the formula quickly. Equal to, if open brackets, if punctuality rating, which is here in this is that is K8, if K8 is greater than or equal to 50%, comma, the person should be given, open bracket, the person should be given 10% of his basic salary. That is 10% times our basic salary here is L8. You close the bracket, comma, if the person fails to meet the target, that's if the person's punctuality rating is less than 50%. So if, open brackets, punctuality rating here is K8 is less than 50%, comma, the person should not be given any bonus, that is 0%, close bracket, or 0 if you don't want to put percent, or 0, but right here we're going to put percent. Okay, now you close the if brackets. This is if bracket 1 and if bracket 2, so we're going to close it with 2 brackets, 1, 2. Press enter. You see, this person has been given a bonus of 5,000 naira, which is 10% of his 50,000 naira basic salary. That is for Sam. And then if you want to see for the rest, you double click here, it will now spread. So you can see this person and this person and this person, they failed to get the bonus because their punctuality rating was not up to 50% set target. So you can see how dynamic this is and how important it can be for your company and your offices. So make sure you read up our videos, watch our videos on level-based allowances. You can see from that how dynamic this can be as well. This is very important. So we also urge you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you keep getting our loads of very important teaching on your office use, programs and topics. So next time we are going to look at the rest of the topics. Thank you.